Hello everyone at the Speak English Follow Your Dream. I'm a student of English Fluency Secrets. Today we will talking about five idiom for you. First idiom is weather the storm. The weather is storm is mean handle a difficult period of the time successful. Like you guys know already about this year. There hasn't been any tourists in this year, and at the hotel, at the restaurant are having to weather the storm until things pick up again. The second is in hand. This means under control or managing something well. And for example, don't worry about the thing. I have got it all in hand. I did it all online. Like that. For the third is on the ball. On the ball is mean understand the situation well. And you can say, if you see someone is on the ball or not on the ball, you can say, are you alright? You not seem on the ball today. And if you not on the ball today, you can, oh, I could sleep well last night. I'm not on the ball today. Or if you do something great, you can say, I have done a great job. I was really on the ball. For the first is new kid on the block. It means you are the new one, you are the new place, and you are in the new organization, and you have many things to learn about it, and you can stay with your boss or with your friend. As a new kid on the block, I know that I will have to work hard to improve myself. The last one is break the ice. Break the ice is mean to make people feel more comfortable or relaxed and with each other who have not met before. And this time is I will suggest you about play the game to break the ice. Or it's not always easy to break the ice at the formal meeting. Before we leave this video, I compliment everyone. Your cute smile did a lot to break the ice. Bye. See you next video.